Welcome to J&J's test video of 9606, a 96 Del Sol with 109,000 miles on it. Got a little boo-boo right here. Otherwise, it's still fixable, but nobody got it to fix it. It's actually pretty nice. Survivor. All the body panels are pretty good. Wheels are okay. Seats are okay. Door panels aren't terrible. 109,967. Really nice in here. Whoever had this liked this little car. I don't want to drive it too far because I don't want to destroy those tires. But everything works as it should. Shifting the gears. Ooh, stall it. See if reverse works. Like it wouldn't at 109,000 miles. All right. I don't think I can get the hood open. Oh, there we go. Nice and quiet. So there you go. 96 Del Sol. Pop there in the right front. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.